Hi, welcome to Ola Talks, where every word counts language acquisition through the eyes of a future educator. Have you ever been in a room where everyone is speaking language and you don't understand? Well, you hear words, but they don't make sense. You want to ask for help, but you don't know how, and you start to feel invisible. And that is how many children feels on their first day in a classroom where the language of instruction isn't their own. I remember a classmate in elementary school. Her name was Erica. She came from a different province and barely spoke our dialect. So we have this activity that we need to speak in front, and so because of that, we giggled while we raised our hand. So Erica stayed silent. Well, she's smart, but no one knew because she doesn't have the word. So that is why language acquisition is very important. Language acquisition is how we learn to understand, speak, and use language. So for us, future educators, it is not just about a linguistic process. It's a key to connection, learning, and identity in a classroom. We often think that language is just a subject, like math, science, or English. But really, language is a foundation of learning. So there's these three theories or thinkers that help change or shape my thinking. So the first is B.F. Skinner. B.F. Skinner is a behaviorist language and he believes that language is learning through the imitation and reward. So this explains why toddler repeat phrases over and over because we smile or cheer when they do. So for the second is on Noam Chomsky. So on the other hand, Noam Chomsky said that language is innate. We born with a kind of language or a mental tool, so-called language acquisition device. That's why even young children can create sentence they never heard before. So for the last is Lev Vygotsky. So Lev Vygotsky emphasized that the power of social interaction. Well, according to him, children learn from language through conversation with others, especially when we help them just enough to reach the next level. So that is why language is more than just a word. So, developmental connection. Language isn't just about speaking. It shapes how children think and also how they feel and also relate to others. So, cognitively, language helps us to solve problems and organize idea. So, for socially, it's our tool to build friendship. And for the emotionally, it gives us a voice, literally, to express joy, fear, or frustration. So when we support language development, we're also supporting the whole child. So may I also call on our next speaker to share more thoughts about our language acquisition. So please welcome Miss Georgie Ramboyo. Give her a round of applause.
So again, let me introduce myself first. My name is Ramboyong Georgerine Yu, your second speaker. So, challenges and realities, but as beautiful as language is. Teaching a diverse classroom isn't easy. Imagine classroom where 5 students speak in Tagalog, 3 speak in Bicolana, 2 speak in Waray. And the instruction is English. So how we met every child where they are. As a teachers, we face gaps in proficiency, limited materials, cultural misunderstanding of our own unpreparedness. But we also have tools like visuals, peer support, and translanguaging, where students are encouraged to use their own languages to make meaning. So, this research has changed me. I used to think that teaching language meant verbal drills and vocabulary lists. Now I know it means building bridges. It means creating a safe space um, where mistakes of learning and every language is honored, not hidden. In my future classroom, I will scaffold language learning step by step, use theories in real life, and respect home languages as assets, not obstacles. And most of all, listen with patience. Um, my language story in my personal experience. When I was second grade, I couldn't pronounce the word vegetable correctly. I said vegetable. So I have classmates laugh and I felt small. But one teacher didn't laugh. She knelt beside me and smiled and gently said, "Let's try again." That teacher didn't just teach me a word. She taught me confidence. That's the kind teacher I want to be. So, so language isn't just we teach. It's show we teach. It's just the way we connect, uplift, and empower. So as a future educators, we have the power to ensure that no children feels invisible because of language they speak or don't speak yet. Because in every classroom, every child, voice deserves to be heard and words can count. Thank you.
So, meaning to say, language acquisition is important for us as a future educator to have a better communication and collaboration with the students in class. Yes, as a future educator, this is very important tools as you mentioned. So those strategies of what we mentioned a while ago, this can really help to create a supporting and engaging language, learning environment, student diverse needs and language proficiency. So we teach, we learn.